Algebra. Algebra is used in maths when we do not know the exact number or numbers in a calculation. In algebra, we use letters to represent unknown values or values that can change. Identifying an algebra question. You will see a letter, often an X or a Y, in place of where a number might be. A number substituted for a letter is called an expression. 3 plus X equals 6. 3Y equals 9. Rules to follow. In algebra, you will see a letter or letters used in place of a number of numbers, often to create a formula. A formula is like a recipe to bake the exact same cake each time. Just like a detective, our role is to work out the mystery of the missing number that a letter has replaced by searching for clues. Both sides of the equal sign must balance, like any maths problem with a question and answer. 2 plus 2 equals 4. This is called an equation, equal on both sides. 2 plus n equals 4. So, n equals 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. A letter is substituted for a missing number that we usually have to work out. X plus 7 equals 10. So, x must be 3 to balance the problem. 3 plus 7 equals 10. When a number is next to a letter, such as 3y equals 12, this means 3 times y equals 12. The x sign is missing, so y must be 4, because 3 times 4 equals 12. Instead of writing 1x or 1y, we simply write x or y, because there's just one of them. There is no need for the 1, as 1x is 1 times x, which is just an x. Here is an example of a formula or recipe used in algebra. Imagine we are selling cookies. Each cookie is worth 50 cents. We could use a letter like the following to represent the price. Let's choose the letter P to represent the price in cents. P equals 50 cents. Remember, when we put a number before a letter, we multiply the number by what the letter represents. For 5 cookies sold, 5p equals 250 cents, or $2.50, because 5 times 50 equals 250. For 7 cookies sold, 7p equals 350 cents, or $3.50, because 7 times 50 equals 350. The following algebra rules you generally won't need for 11 plus and aptitude tests, but you might like to know them as a challenge to better your understanding for higher algebra. Commutative rule of addition means when two terms are added, the order you add doesn't matter. The equation is the same whether written as a plus b equals or b plus a equals. Associative rule of addition means when 3 or more terms are added, the order of addition does not matter. The answer is the same whether the question is written as a plus b plus c equals or a plus b plus c equals. Associative rule of multiplication means that when 3 or more terms are multiplied, terms meaning number, the order of multiplication does not matter. The equation and answer is the same whether written as a times b times c or a times b times c. Distributive rule of multiplication means when we multiply a number to two numbers being added, we first multiply the term outside the brackets with each term inside the brackets. A times b plus c equals a times b plus a times c. Commutative rule of multiplication means when two terms are multiplied, the order of multiplication does not matter. The equation is the same whether written as a times b or b times a. Algebra vocabulary. Position, where a number stands in a sequence. Is it in the first, second or third position? Term, a number by itself. Expression is a combination of numbers, variables and functions, like a phrase in a sentence. Variable, A variable is a symbol for a number that we don't know yet, like x or y. Constant. In algebra, a constant says that two sums are equal. It has an equal sign dividing those two sums. Coefficient. A group of terms, numbers, that has no equal sign. Equation. The number used to multiply a variable.